If your snoring causes disruptions in sleeping patterns and results in daytime fatigue, irritability, and decreased productivity, VitalSleep is the mouthpiece for you. It has personalized fit modeled to your teeth at home using hot water for 45 seconds, patented adjustment system for optimal jaw positioning, FDA cleared, hypoallergenic and latex free. It's made in the USA with lifespan of 1 to 3 years. The benefits are outstanding. Improved sleep quality, targets the root cause of snoring by advancing the lower jaw and tongue. By maintaining an open airway, this device promotes smoother, unobstructed breathing, leading to quieter and more restful sleep.